Set to go now, race number 3. Horses out, we have Golden Cup, Director's Race running by the level second. Then racing in third is Smiling G, Rockstar Show, Dickory That, Nichols Bet, Hard Work Classic, and trailing the group reenactment. Too far behind is Plenty of Stars. As our leader, that's Golden Cup by about 4 lengths. Director's Way in second, and in third, Rockstar Show. Dickory Duck in fourth, Smiling G. Nichols Bet comes next, Hard Work Classic reenactment. And too far behind still is a Plenty of Stars. And it's still Golden Cup by about 3 lengths. Director's Way still in second, and in third, coming close now is Rockstar Show. Dickory Duck remains in fourth, Nichols Bet, Smiling G, Hard Work Classic, and reenactment. And it's still Golden Cup by about 5 lengths. Director's Way still in second. Here comes Rockstar Show in third. Dickory Duck remains in fourth with Golden Cup by about 5 lengths. Director's Way, Rockstar Show, Dickory Duck, Golden Cup still in front by about 4 lengths. Rockstar Show now in second. Golden Cup, Rockstar Show moving up down on the inside. Rockstar Show moves up. Second is Golden Cup, Dickory Duck, Director's Way, Nichols Bet. Then comes reenactment, Smiling G, Hard Work Classic.
Okay, Vayan Carrerista, we've seen another upset coming from the 7-horse Rockstar Show, sleepered by